Want to quickly access your favorite settings on a Samsung Galaxy phone? Customize your quick settings panel by adding or moving the tools. First, swipe down from the top of the screen. Then, tap the pencil icon located top right. Next, select Edit to start customizing. Look through the available buttons not currently in your panel. Let's add Flashlight for easy access. Hold the chosen button and move it into the Quick Settings panel. Move the button to your desired spot on the panel. If you have more tools than fit on one screen, just drag more icons in. It will create a second or third page automatically. Swipe left or right on the panel to access them easily. After, tap Done when you're happy with changes. Want to adjust? Just hold and drag to reorder. Tap Done again. Subscribe for more quick tips.